Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I have a really big B&M haul for you today. You've clearly clicked on this for a reason. You love B&M just as much as I do. I have literally been going in there every weekend since last year, probably, you know, lockdown. Me and Connor love going in there and looking for little random bits. A lot of essentials in there, but there's gonna be a few new bits for like the home, like homeware stuff, because I have been redoing my bedroom and redecorating that, so I found a few little bits that are going to be a little bit of a spoiler for you today. I have got a redecorating my bedroom video coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, you're going to see some features that I am going to be putting in my room in this video, so sneak peek for you all there. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and go check out my TikTok because I've been doing that a lot lately, and also go check out my Instagram if you want to see more makeup looks like this that I'm wearing today. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing I got is this plant with this really nice kind of like a metallic metal, black metal stand, and I absolutely loved this. My theme in my room is going to be like a beigey cream with a hint of black features, sort of like what's behind me, and yeah, like a boho sort of plant vibe. And even though this is a fake plant, it looks really good. I'm going to put it up on my shelves, which is going to hopefully look so good. I bought some, side note, I bought some like longer plant vines from Amazon, which are going to look amazing. So that's going to make it like flow off the shelf. And this was £8, and it comes with some cute little fake rocks in there as well, and I thought that was really cute for £8. It's a really good staple for when you walk into my bedroom. It's gonna look so good. It's a nice size. It's not too shiny either. It is quite shiny, but it's not too much, so I think I can get away with that. I don't know where to put it. Should I put it in the background? Let's just put it there. Why not? Make a use out of it. Okay, so going on the same lines as the plant, I bought this cute little black elephant to go with it. I thought on the other side of the shelf, you know, could look nice, but I've also got a few shelves like together. I'll have to show you in that video. I'll link it up in the and in the description box, so go check that out. This was £4, and it's just got like a little cute plant in the top there, and I thought the detail was really nice for £4. Like, you can't go wrong. It's so cute. It's so detailed and so cute, so I loved that. That's going to go in the background too. This chair keeps moving. Next I got this Dishmatic style Your Dish Friend fillable handle replaceable sponge. Now, I bought this because I seen a woman on TikTok, actually. I am loving the cleaning TikToks. Oh my god, so many good hacks that you can find. But obviously I've seen these before anyway. But I thought I'd get myself one for my bathroom, not actually the kitchen, which you normally use these for. But I seen like I said, a woman on TikTok using this for a bathroom, and that's why I bought this to go with it. So let me just talk about this. I seen her use this to use, like, obviously it's got more of a rough texture. Can't remember how much everything was, but I believe this is no more than £2. So I got this to go in the top there. Hopefully it's gonna work. This is the Flash Bathroom. It just says removes soap scum. I hate that word. Fresh scent, long lasting shine. Now I have the spray version of this at the moment, and yeah, it smells the same as that, But I thought it would just be a little bit of a different thing, you know, to use other than the spray. I could just go straight in with that, pour it into the top, and I'm good to go. It's a 1 litre as well, and I think this was like £1 or something, or 98p or something. So yeah, can't wait to use that. Recommended by Febreze. Fresh scent, long lasting shine, up to 3 times longer lasting shine. Yeah, got that. It's going to be a lot of cleaning products in here. Now around Christmas time I bought a Minky, which was like a Christmas theme, and that's worn. It's very worn now. So I bought a pack of 3 Sparkle and Shine Scrub Buddies, 2-in-1 microfiber cleaning pads, long lasting durable cleaning pads. Now I believe these are just dupes, I want to say, for the actual Minkies, but they're exactly the same. This side here feels really, really smooth, and then the side on the back is quite rough. Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, I thought this would be really handy again in the bathroom or in the kitchen, and they're going to last me a long time. So it says 100% microfiber. Again, not sure how much this was. Again, similar sort of thing, but these are the flash scoring pads, and I actually do know how much these are. They're £1.99, so a lot of things are either £1.99, £1, quite good prices in B&M. That's what they look like. These are the Easily Clean Burnt on Food and Grease. So I bought these mainly for the kitchen. Our hob is a electric hob, and it gets very dirty very easily, so I thought these would be great to help with that. Cool. So yeah, bought those. A random purchase, but I've seen a lot of people using these. Again, I've seen it on TikTok and I just love the smell of like fresh, you know, the house smelling really fresh and clean. So I bought the Glade Shaken Vac with odour neutraliser fresh lemon. Now this smells lovely. It just smells so fresh, and I'm gonna hoover my bedroom tomorrow and probably, like, you know, upstairs, and I'm definitely gonna use this. It doesn't seem like a lot, but we'll see. I'm not actually entirely sure how to use this. Hold the bottle slightly here. So yeah, again, this was no more than £1. I definitely remember this was no more than £1. That's what it looks like for everyone who is interested. And I can't wait to use this. If you can smell through the camera. Oh, it smells so clean. Then again, keep mentioning it, TikTok made me buy it. I should do like a TikTok made me buy it video. This is the Bloom Foam Aroma. These are weird names. Self-activating fragranted powder, and it's a new formula apparently. And I don't know why, but this really intrigued me on the toilet cleaning video. And it's an active foam, better cleaning action, improved lime scale removal, and it's in the rose and apple blossom scent. There were a few different shades. No, we're not doing makeup right now. There was a few different scents, but I went for this one because it just sounded nice. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. Then random, I got some elbow grease rubber gloves in a size medium. But these are for when I've got my nails on. I don't have them on right now. They look like stubs I'm minging. But I prefer wearing gloves when I'm doing the cleaning, and especially when I've got fake tan on. So I just got a pack of these, and I believe these were £1. Yeah, these were £1 as well. They do a wide variety of different gloves, so I just got these ones. Then of course I got some Sephora. This is the concentrated disinfectant, the Line Fresh smell. If you don't know what Sephora is, it kills bacteria basically and eliminates odours and freshness for all day. So it's a 3-in-1 action. Let me just, I haven't actually smelt it yet because at the moment no one really wants to be there smelling things. It's actually quite small. Oh, it smells like men. It is quite nice though. I bought the fresh one just because they didn't have a big variety of scents. They had lots of Christmassy scents still in, but I went for the fresh one just because it was the most decent one there. Really? What's that noise? Sorry if you can hear that noise. There's only a few items left. Then again I got another fragranted room sort of house thing. This is the Glade Gel Relaxing Zen. You just peel this off and it becomes like a room sort of scent. So it just looks like this. So random but essential. You know, when people, not recently, but when people normally come into my house, I like them to smell freshness and clean, and do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I got, that one. I'm thinking of putting it either by the front door or on the landing. Then next I got some window lean glass and shine services streak free added vinegar. I really wanted to get the white vinegar spray that I've again seen on TikTok, but I got this one instead because I need to clean the windows in my bedroom. I bought this for that, and I believe this was £1. This was £1 and it's suitable for windows, window screens, fridges, glass surfaces, worktops, splashbacks, I think that says, taps and mirrors. So yeah, that's window lean. Okay, so then last but not least, I got a new mat for my shower room. Now I'm going again for more of like the black theme. It's pink at the moment, which I do not like. I want to get rid of the hot pink and add bits of black and like neutrals, so I want it to match my room, my bedroom. This is the Signature Luxury Noodle Bath Mat. It's a 50 by 80 centimetres. With super soft deep pile and anti-slip backing, which I can feel right now. It's got like a really good grip at the bottom, which I love, and if you could feel this, it feels so soft. I can't wait to put this in my shower room after this. But it was, I've actually got the wrong way round. It was actually £6.99, which I thought was really good for a bath mat, and hopefully you can see, yeah, there we go. It's a proper deep black as well, which I really like. And I can't wait to style my bathroom after my bedroom. So yeah, so that is the final item in this haul. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope that it's inspired you to get some essential cleaning bits and some decorating bits. I'm definitely going to be going in there again soon. Hopefully not spend all my money in there again because I need to stop. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below what was your favourite thing and if you like B&M. I'm more of a B&M than a Home Bargains, but I might go into Home Bargains and see what's going on there because I feel like it's a little bit of a competition. But anyway, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. That would mean the world to me. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. That would be the dream and I'm manifesting that. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing if you have. I hope you have a lovely day or evening or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.